член Executive President of Republic of Fiji.
Your Highness, and Miss Sandra. May I introduce you to my wife, Your Highness, Prince Harry, Sarota. Like to sit down for a while, Your Highnesses.
We're hearing it's been raining for the last weeks, months.
Well, Your Royal Highness, no.
We've been there just a while ago. This was carved out of a piece of mahogany hardwood within the possession compartment. We had a number of trees that blown down by the last cyclone. So, rather than wasting all the precious wood, he's carving the handicaps.
That is beautiful.
It's a war club, just a reminder of the visit. And the Association of Fijians, you have to have the areas and all that. And I think, Your Highness, my wife has got something for the Duchess.
I know you're very special to the Prince. Thank you. But you're also very special to the people of Fiji. So in that sense, we are giving you this, a very special gift. And it's pearls that are very rare, very unique to Fiji, and it's beautiful. It's colored, naturally colored.
Wow.
And I believe that maybe Fiji has this only.
Well, thank you so
Hope
much.
you like it.
Oh, it's
So when you wear it, you will
Think
think of Fiji.
yes, I'll think of everyone here. Thank you so much. It's beautiful.
To open later, perhaps. Something.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry, I didn't have time to carve
No, not at all.
anything.
Much appreciated, and thank you for sincere.
This is all something from us.
Thank you. I believe we will have a full. Okay.
Thank you.
I believe you arrived change it to people are waiting around. Oh, sorry.
What did you wish to say?
Yes, thank you. All right, thank you. Yes, we'll see shortly. Thank you.
See you later, thank you.